Good day, everyone. Learn how to clear cache on any Android phone, and I'll tell you the easiest method. So, here, look for the Play Store first, and we need to download files by Google. So, we will search files in Play Store, and we will click on search. You will find files by Google like this. 4.2 rating, 8 million reviews, 5 billion downloads. Jesus, it's huge. Now, once you have downloaded, click on open and you will see a window screen like this. Now, you need to click on the top left side. You will have three parallel lines. Click on that and click on clean. Now, the moment you click on clean, it will ask you to clean the junk files. All right, so in this manner, you're clearing the trash, old screenshots, delete large files, delete recordings, delete downloaded files. There's so many things which you can do, and this will clean everything. You can also clean up the trash if you want. So basically, you will optimize your phone, clear cache, clear junk from your computer or from your Android phone. If you if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.